Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a smoothie for your baby using an easy method. First, select ripe, soft fruits and vegetables, ensuring they are easy to blend. Always wash all your produce thoroughly before you begin any preparation. Then, start by adding a small amount of liquid to your blender, such as breast milk, formula, or even water, to help achieve the right consistency. When choosing ingredients, opt for organic fruits and vegetables whenever possible to reduce your baby's exposure to pesticides. For fruits like apples or pears, always peel and deseed them to ensure a perfectly smooth texture without any choking hazards. For harder vegetables, such as carrots or sweet potatoes, steam them until they are very soft before adding them to the blender. To achieve the ideal texture for your baby, use a high-speed blender. This will ensure the smoothie is incredibly smooth, without any lumps. Add your chosen liquid gradually, a tablespoon at a time, until the smoothie reaches a consistency that is thin enough for your baby to easily swallow. You are aiming for a texture similar to thin yogurt or a smooth baby food puree. Once your baby's smoothie is ready, store any leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness and safety, these smoothies can be kept for up to 2 days. When it's time to serve, offer the smoothie at room temperature or slightly chilled. A small sippy cup or a spoon works perfectly for introducing this nutritious treat to your little one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.